Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will help you to get rid of the browser notifications coming from the website processing-center-wn2.click or processing-center-wn1.click. These are two misleading pop-ups that currently try to attack as many computers as possible. Mainly these pop-ups target Google Chrome, Firefox and other browsers in Windows computers, and extremely dangerous they are. The pop-ups try to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software, and they may display pretty misleading facts about your computer, trying to encourage you into clicking on this subscribe now button. But the point is that when people mistakenly do that, when they click on the subscribe now button, they soon get redirected to some other deceptive pages that may promote a totally different software, not the one advertised on these pages. So you should be very careful not to interact with all such pop-ups. They are fake and they are not genuine Windows alert. So disregard their content and do not tolerate them. We recommend that you immediately undertake the measures to fix your computer and your browser. First thing you can do is to check the control panel of your computer and then uninstall any programs that are suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. So carefully check this list and remove the programs that are not familiar to you. Now, I also recommend you to research your system additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and start carefully checking your computer with its help to make sure that the device is free of all other hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.